Today is also the birthday of Brooklyn Beckham, son of David and Victoria Beckham. You know, him and Beckham, when you go back in the days, why Real Madrid, why, Man United, born March 4th, 1999 in London. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, it's about time. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. You have to go send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035. Akoko oti poju. Yes, Ketafo, I got but I was in Niger. I celebrating Deacon celebrating in Niger this morning. Yatago Kaina, but I have Niger. We have a lot of things to talk about. Yes, kind of, but I have Niger. Gonna play the kind of a man when any advice and I go on Obuluna Iburuke, Iwe Chopota, Yotago. Now, one and make it in a plan on each on a very good day. Now, Onya Wiki Jackia, Wus also, Nisio, and Madame Antilia could they would not, the Bewuna, and I will more bear, we would know who are one. No, check it out. A lot of things is happening, and right about Ketafo, I give you go with the celebration in Kednaman and I Ketafo. And let me tell you that today is the birthday of Miriam Abacha, widow of former head of state Abacha himself, born March 4th, 1947 in Kaduna. So we say happy birthday to her this morning. Happy birthday! Yes, it's unfolding. Today is also the birthday of Rex Lawson, Nigerian high life musician, born March 4th, 1935 in Calabar. So we say happy birthday to him this morning. Happy birthday! It's unfolding right about Ketafo. Yes, the next person actually celebrates Ketabo, comedian, musician, go dancer, actor, a lot of things so may go over time. I don't acting or send under the quick art film. None 80 and a film or act on a very good day before. Kakane they go do, Ndime film, presents and all of that. Actor's name. They boy before film maybe not the thing they ways but you were. I know who or gaff and a go or send about an studio cargo no like aqua before now we kusu. Oh, they go. We getting down. So today is the birthday of the man they call Clint the Drunk, Nigerian comedian, actor, musician, and dancer, born March 4th, 1973 in Anambra State. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, sorry, go Kosa. They get involved. Let's celebrate you as well this morning. Kosa, they go to Yotago. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Akoko oti pokrebo. Right about now, we get into right here. Yotago, Kosia Digodo. And as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction, guaranteed. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Yes, it's time to spot the Mpianyarism. You have to go before her, derivarism, a lot of things. I got Mamakiano Totua. And I put appetizer these days. And I'm mother Jack, and Nina, Mama put on a very good day. Yeah, Tiano, money man for the ano. And I do Madame Cato Giano, and I say, Nanya and Nigga Baffle. Also, what I see our money, a lot of things to talk about. Akoko Otipoju. Yes, Akoko Nkizi, the president of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu Potalo. Yotago, when I react about the sad news, I went over the weekend about the death of the famous Nigerian comic actor, Mr. Ibu. And also a particular actor too, who goes by the name Tolani Padri Oyebamiji, Amoya Sisi Padri. So these two individuals, the president came out to say on Sunday Koku, he condoled with the families of the gifted actors who brought joy and relief to millions of Nigerians by the exercise of their geniuses. Like reason mother on a very good day. It shows that no one brain so all celebrated the fact that these people might had the ability if Nigerians all through their careers. So we celebrate them this morning and they celebrate their activities, what they did, for us. Life is, about the quality of life and not about the quantity of life. So what impact do you have while you are here? Onya will be here matter so much. And that's why even in death, we are still celebrating Mr. Ibu because he made us proud. A lot of things over time. He's, whatever, everything may go over na Nollywood. Or easy, so we'll keep celebrating him. I am like who's your guy this morning, knowing that no you like can keep as well. So I not bena mpulo bifage zulike nandokwa na ha Jesus. Amen. I na kuzina chineke genye the families, the fortitude to bear the losses. Otu o si ade this morning. Odugo ko si ade. But one of my you we kuna kaka when I got still.
Such a sad news, after somebody now back after that also Bible yabo aroya yabo Mr. Ibu yabo. I'm also gonna see where the man do what the doctors, Malumbo they have when you get and I want to work on a they come Kennerex is where go before they visit here. Manaketas your
ground.
Also, where this so Kakulobi and Moyana, the other actor, so we get Cassiana Yabo or Chineke Maroke Casimwa.
Chineke Manke Casama and Nakatupa, Yotago Onya Wetel, or Lugopa, or the Goko is the Ibata this morning in buy Pilo Nayaba Kokusa on food right about now. Now I want to go to message in our WhatsApp or where say I thank God who made it possible to for us to wake up with good health. Greetings to Metal and Classic. I missed your voice, especially Metal, ever since I traveled, which took place on Valentine's Day. Valentine and then from Mpo, my brother. Man, join I on Facebook. You meet us. Anybody we you will be part of what we are doing. Check it out. Yotago at the 103.5 FM. Yes, I could also I do a batano to our Bolona Obi Elewago, a lot of people na Nigerian keep as well. And I shop at be fair. Oh, when then I just not the case where Mema on a very good day. Yeah, not chalk, not only how you book aside even we go on a very good day. Oh, in those states, you have to go and when two police officers, their truck, their Hilos van, you have to go crush Okada rider. One woman and another occupant at a time. Ka ihe ni na melo ndo obodo we yotago senase virtual the police. It was an accident too, but fama senase kwechili the police and eku fakubu police na abo. Mana before fakubu police na aba will also we gbaga na one security post no eba fama kwechili no bogo na aga kpọpụta ya bụ ndị police ana emefa kubu police na abo nke ana eku na hakubu ibu a fakubu kwa ndị ọzọ nọkwa ebe a police also as na before enwe ike disperse ndị na-emefa nọ ndị nche obodo a bụ ihe gbabazi egbe maybe we subdue before we save nwoli we secure back the guns in the police abu we jebe anyway all the go see the on affair and the kwakaya be face the two police officers were weekend beaten to death in Ibeshi, a community in Akoko, Edo State Edo local government area of Edo State as a result of their convoy hitting a motorcycle, resulting in the death of the rider and occupants. The irate youths were said to have invaded the Edo State Security Volunteer Network vigilante office, where the policemen were taken to, overran the facility and beat 2 of them to death, while members of the vigilante group were able to rescue the other two who were said to be receiving treatment in the hospital. Also recovered rifles and police officer. So at the end of the day, kedu ife nwere ikwu n'ihe my sister or to ya kazima I'm an yes we be a lot of people in Nigeria today, but or zinki biazina attack police officers say worked at their time and their life to serve us at the end of the obogodo na when mistake men and never anya ke hi nwere ikwu nya kai we na aga niru still.
Ihe kwuru bụ eziokwu, ọ bụrụ otu esi wee kwesị isi wee na eso ya maka na maybe na ha nọ ebe ahụ n'anya maọbụ maybe na fenere anya feel that na ọ bụrụ mistake ka ha mee, but ọ nwere onye ga-anọkọta welu moto si ka ya ga-akụgbugo onye ọzọ, especially in terms of ebe ndị polisi nọ ifugo na ya bụ ife bụ accident and ya ka o jide kpana anyị ga na-akpachapụ anya mana ebe ọ bụ na ọ dịgo otu ahụ onye nke nwụrụ anwụ bụ eziokwu na ọnwụ ga anwụ, mana ọ bụrụ ịkụgbuwe ndị ọzọ ka ị ga-eji wee meke ya ka o bilitari ma ọ bụ ka imeke right ihe imeke ọ dị right. So and onye ọ bụ mkpa ọ dị na anyị ga na-aghọta ihe oge ụfọdụ the person bụ na ọ dịgo otu ahụ ọ ga-adị na agaghakwa handikwa ha over to the police isi ebe a wee mere investigation wee newe anya wee malụ otu a ga-esi wee mee otu akụgụziri ha akụgụ kedu ife
onye ga-asazi maka ndị anwụrụ. So that's the thing. So at the end of the day ha nwee dị ndụ ka mkpa karịa ịnwụ anwụ. So one of the things I could see put into our heads like the fact that jungle justice amatọrọ because na mgbe ya committee that jungle justice kezi the documentation kezi onye ga-ekwupụta na eke o si mee kedu onye ga-aza lọzi ọnụ ya because ọ na-akakwanụ mma sometimes ekpe ya bụ ikpe onye ọbụla azala ọnụ amala onye dị at fault. Mana ọ dịgo ka onye si dị ịbatazie this morning ịgwa anyị filo na ya bụ akụkọ ka o si ahụ food right about kịta afọ. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee bata n'ụtụtụ abụ na Nigerians na complain nke ikpeazụ a na-emefa 419 when it comes to anụ mmadụ jee mama put ka etile nri etisiele nri a na-agwa ya na-etigole anụ mana anụ etile ọfụla anya madam akwara anụ kedu ihe itile eti ọkanda ọsị na ebe a ọ dị na nne gị ị na-ene ya bụ ife anya ọ dị ka okporoko bụ ihe makpudi a on a very good day mana ediscovergo na ife na-aka ọsọ ihe niile a bụ na enwe increment in price of meat all over even na ebe enwegasị slaughters around here yotago a na-ebekwa ya bụ akwụkwọ kịta afọ o were bụrụ na ndị na-ebe anụ besia nkefa yotago ndị na-esikwa ya bụ nri ejikwa nwa ya bewakwa another one nke ya wepụtalụta egofa n'isi onwe ha on a very good day now mana ihe melụ mbụ na achọpụtalụ na Ibadan ka bushers na-akọwa ihe melụ ejiwe increase price of meat and ihe a melụ mgbe fa na-eme ekpere yotago the National Butchers Association in Oyo State raised the meat price and we are saying this like on Ibadan ihe a no yotago their head Nona Agwa governor of Oyo State to intervene in what is going on. Ojanagwa governor Echeyi Makinde. When I call her the experience fana like the challenges fana experiencing Kibazwa, the too much and Hanaya Obo Kaka nwele na mmadụ na-ekwu okwu nri ọfụ ya bụ nri na mmadụ na-ekwu okwu anụ yotago ọfụ ya bụ ife on a very good day. Ọ bụrụ na ya bụ gọvanọ chọọ ka ọ bụrụ na like mmadụ kwuo okwu anụ afụ ya bụ anụ on a very good day na sị malife mere ya bụ ife and nke ikpeazụ a enwego a lot of Nigerians na advice na si bidokwa yotago farming in different ways even wearing of animals and all of that yotago all of those things titi ibe aka na ịzụ ọkụkọ ihe niile a ka enwe nwee ike irecover from ife na-eme nke ikpeazụ a nwanne m nwaanyị ka ihe inwe kwuru ihe aka iwe na-aga n'iru still.
I'm on the Nigeria and I like one ka anụ dị ya bụ ife ndị a ga-eri.
Sometimes a boy more toss
Yeah.
make it say na any enough ya na only go see na enwe ife me na you take you man no chobe.
Ọdụrụ surprise na okwu ọnụ na ekwubere ya mana dịka esi wee mara ihe niile gara n'ọnụ ọbụrụ sọsọ anụ maọbụ azụ mana onye na-suggest yes ka anyị nebanye anya na itinye ya ka anyị nebanye anya na iji aka anyị wee zụwa ya bụ agba ọkụkọ maọbụ nke ọbụla ị nwere ike ịzụ ka o wee fụnat na ya bụ anụ na ị na-enweta ya at least nke ị na-eji wee na-eri nne gị n'ụbọchị nwekwana ike ọ bụrụ na nke ị ga-ejikwa were igwe ike ịzụ nke ị ga-ele na-enwetakwa ego ọ ga-adịkwa mma so na ihe anyị nọ ya kịta bụ oge anyị ga-eji wee were amamife anyị wee mara ụzọ anyị ga-esi wee mewe ka ọ wee dịrị anyị mma because na dịka isi wee fịa Chinefu ọ dịka na anyị na-echekwa ka ya bụ good news maybe ka ihe chenji ka ọ dị mma ma while anyị na-ewait for it onye ọbụla gbanụ nke o nwere ike ime ọ bụrụ na ọlụ at least onwegodi anyị nwere na family gị ma ọ bụ na compound gị ebe ọbụla tinyekwa one or two things na anyị ka ihe nwee ike wee na-eweta because na very soon na rain season ga-abịa ọ dị mma that na ị na-consider ka wee nwee ike at least wee na-supplement nke ị na-enwetakwa na ndị na-egote n'afịa ka na o wee nwee ike wee nyere gị aka na family ihe ndị ọzọ so na onye nye ya bụ suggestion ọ tara ya
okay ọ dị na ka oge si dị na nke ikpeazụ a ọ ya adịkwa mma ma ọ bụ na ewepụ the argument dị behind cattle wearing yotago ọ say forget godo ndị na-eme ndị na-ada eme si mmegwongodi enwe a na-ekwu na ya enwezi nka efi Igbo kedu ebe ọ dị ụmụ ihe niile a what do we do yotago lapgodo the sentiments behind these things ka e ga-esi nye ya ka ọ dịkwa yotago ala ebe apụtazi ọ na-asị na a na-ekwu na enwe scarcity on all of that and eti price and all of that biko ịbata n'ụtụtụ anyị gwa anyị filo na ya bụ ife is unfolding right about now. Akụkọ otipoju yotago onye ego n'isi onwe a on a very good day o wee bụrụ na ọ pụtara na Abuja na ọ nwere ife mepe yotago asị that he committed to the vision of continuous innovation and leading in the Nigerian e-hailing space. Businessman Obi Kubana has unveiled enviable transport in Federal Capital Territory Abuja on Friday. This is coming days after Enviable Transport took delivery of over 100 units of hybrid electric vehicles as part of the company's devotion to providing accessible, affordable, and safe cab and logistics services to Abuja residents. So at the end of the day, on our choice, yotago taxi cabs and all of that gonna aid in Abuja and dogabo electric vehicles. Yotago just charge. So ihe niile ọ na-eme mala ezigbote mma mana anyị nwa nọ na Anambra ebe a wee na-akpụ ya broda biko dotekwa this side yotago si mala efe mesi kpọta all these electric vehicles a si butekwa around us ọ ya adịkwa mma ma ọ na-agba n'ọba ọ yotago ya na-agba n'ọba nsogbu adịrọ ọ gbakatakwa n'ọba ya bata Nnewi ọ na-agba from Nnewi sometimes ya lutekwa Ogidi na ọ nwekwa ife ọjọọ dị na ya my brother so ka a na-emelụ ndị Abuja si lotekwa ndị Anambra my brother ọ ife anyị na-ekwu nwanne m nwaanyị ka ihe nwekwu na nke a ka anyị wee na-agakwa n'iru still.
Well, you know, congratulations on those were kind of now food all this innovation more after when you come over to Nigeria, Nigeria way so we and other things. So I guess we about when we say so I'm done enough by recognizing you and we got to farm side.
That side.
I hope not put here dear.
So my brother, onwe kusisi oba gafeta ya gbada kwa ọzọ obodo. Well, all the coast said this morning, but as a why feel na ya be fe ko say food right about now. Akụkọ oti kpoju akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ na one of the leaders in aviation sector ama as Allen Onyema yotago nwe ihe ọ pụtara na-akọwa nke ikpeazụ a. He is the CEO of Air Peace Limited. Onwe na-akọwa na otu passengers si eme omume na-eso akọs yotago flight delays na Nigeria. So at the time, Mwa Hotapale Bosi apota on a very good day. Na Kawale my brother, and some of the people in Afuna that thing near me Dipa. Up not the first time, my brother. Some of them Wakana Kawa. No, I am Melo Yotago Eji when I negative those behavior you feel in or draw proper. Now we hope or say putting the International Civil Aviation Organization, he said airlines contribute little to the cost of flight delays, but in Nigeria, besides weather, VIP movement, and technicality, aircraft on grounds, passengers' behavior is a major cause of delays and cancelled flights because Nigerian travelers have not embraced the culture of rescheduling when flights are cancelled, a policy that follows international standard and recommended practices. Yotago hell, my brother put to Akosade, mother balo ticket, and Yagi si Abuja Dana Anambra, go buy a ticket, home plans, now hotel and a check go out. I just buy the flight. I was seeing all the delay, my brother K Chok on some of them from there, Opa is or Jamaze Kosia, was there by the road. Yotago Chopazia. Because now they can't afford to pay the hotel again. They can't do that now. They have to keep moving because now Niger is Niger, my brother. So some of the flight behavior in Kumakia, you have to go. Everyone can so cause where Makano day, but on a very good day. Not no Mike. He will put a kaka when I got for the roast.
Well, I was on the cook. But take it when I call on Nigeria kind on yeah, and the only other name also gets you where they are. Mana mobili here gam is a wokunia and echo second well I kind of a way organ okay. Like a manual told us where the follow in on Nigeria model. Maybe you know the system although it's a million dollars always camera ever. Hair okay feel like okay. No pacos will lower a work about
yeah, I find a way around it.
Yes.
But the thing is, Keta for I talk I want you about coffee and sort of puzzle then you get involved and tell us what you think of all of this. But right about now, you have to go Kaizo Chalafia and stay with us.
Country people. Another opportunity don't land for you to secure your own landed property for better location with small money before price will carry you go where you don't know. This one a legit info from the stables of Robin Fave Concept Limited. I know say you don't have that name by now. Robin Fave Concept Limited now big name for this real estate business. We get the track record and we deliver for everything we talk. Now we bring you Blessed Garden Estate. Phase 1 and Phase 2. Now we still bring you Airlight Garden Estate and Unique Garden Estate. All these estates, they're the capital city of Delta State, and people when Sabi levels don't buy them finish. But no worry, because land no they finish. And our work, not to direct you go where you go get the best value for your money. This time, we don't carry and come your domot with the brand new Golden City Garden Estate, Otulu, just 2 minutes from Akuku Igbo local government secretariat. This one now confirmed premium estate when you forget with small money, one no go turn your eye at all. Just 400,000 naira for one plot inside our special promo when they on now, from now till 2 weeks time. This estate, they for Otulu off Asaba Benin Expressway, just 2 minutes from Asaba Housing Estate and 5 minutes from Which Tech Group of Companies. Golden City Garden Estate, they for good location when we say now only 20 minutes it will take from Coca Junction flyover, 10 minutes from Asaba International Airport, and they not far from the express route. For inside Golden City Garden Estate, you go enjoy light and water 247. The environment clean and the day serene for you and your family with good road network and street light go dey shine for every corner. You no go worry about security because solid fence dey around the estate and security men when them train wella command the gate 247. On top that one, recreational center day for your maximum relaxation. Waiting you dey wait for. Waka come Robin Fave Concept Limited office make you collect your own plot inside the brand new Golden City Garden Estate. Because special promo dey on now. And for this promo season, you go get 464 square meters of land when be 50 by 100, one plot for only 400,000 naira. This promo now for only 2 weeks. So no dull yourself. With only 400k, you don't become landlord inside this correct estate for we capital city. Call us today for 081 68 82 2403. That is 081 68 32 2403. I say 081 68 32 2403. Once you pay, we go allocate your land, give you sharply, plus give you deed of assignment, register survey plan, and government approved decision. When go show say even government confirm what we do, you no get anything to worry about. Now we dey run am. If you no get all the money to pay now, you fit dey pay small for the one where they call installment payment plan. Whether na 3 months, 6 months, or even 12 months, as long as you no go turn your eye, better payment plan dey for you to choose. Take advantage of this special promo when they on now unto say one plot of land, 464 square meters, now only 400,000 naira. Because once this promo end, the price go increase more. And the promo now just 2 weeks it go last. Secure the future for you and your family. Buy your own land today. Make yourself become landlord inside the new Golden City Garden Estate, Otulu, when be only 2 minutes from Akuku Igbo Local Government Secretariat. Come our office when they inside the Mock Petrol Station, Kilometer 8, Asaba Benin Expressway, Asaba, Delta State. Or call us on top 081 68 32 2403. That is 081 68 32 2403. I say 081 68 32 2403. Now, Robin Fave Concept Limited, they developed Golden City Garden Estate.
And we are back. Nebona the 103.5 FM. Everybody know when they were telling you this splash and go to 12. Okay, money hobo. The splash of joy, splash of happiness, splash of gene, wakam in somebody's account this morning. Yes, Kaya Wachala Yaba Kafia, that is to remind you now. Important Jafia here, Yenga Bia Mandama, Yana Bia, the morning, very good day. But Akoko OT Boju.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes, before we went on the break, I know now Kologa Koko Bastalo Iotago heard the CEO of Air Peace Limited, Dr. Allen Onyemani, who about the passengers' behavior. contributing a lot to delays, cancellations, and some of the things now there, man, aviation industry. As you know, the major cause of flight delays in Nigeria, a situation whereby na obolo na a delay a particular flight, eluzie ka continue other operations, so this request continue pajo simba na yeti go for before any other person. You have to go Otosade. Mane Wapando's schedule, and even before maybe the technical issues, Lutelo no melo age way delay in Kenda, Juepota, and those people schedule, they will still move on with their flights before Webia, using Kenda into the process. But a lot of things, one why only him on it before I were on that break. Kind of ganiru on this. Did he
Yes, Yabo Oko, it was consider that now on a hand affect the other because now in delay Yabo, it went out with the or that the time the model okay. Especially Opolo with something with him when we kiss and when he had game maybe in terms of wedding we kissing when we him again but other things when we can handle before more where we got cost yeah so all the is one I find a way I get you and I sort all these things out. So come yeah wish where I did in Africa. Because now most times say if one day about affect how they feel
I'm very happy about it. And extra expenses for them and all of that. I be when you but anyway about this morning why you feel on a yabe cruise on food right about now. Get a classic got cause like one when I can still classic.
Okay, so I whatever we blow a man on our talk and according to the story, on a co that yabi fe ezoko utterly poison or wunye and the old retopano a poison wunya na osinato kia in boya cop walk we make away inherit here in wunya and you wanna to want to get the hair wunya when or do a talk about woya on a call that no here they come or cocoa chickens we hair or do a talk he totally inherit wunya was no of your do a talk
okay now
mana dika we where the more poison the food and the water hearing I hear wunya ga nwa catching case where may here do one where kind of where what's the idea now here the one here and at all so where was there where make where's there call where make it away by an continue police the man when was there about when I confess yes yeah now they here to yeah sorry Diet Makaya, where toy mayor.
Yes.
So, yeah, no, Waketa, the madam, other considers it. Yeah, other considers into mother. As a little as a Iwelo or Kokone, Unia go to a feed Ibunia. No wonder Cadebo wine and I know that. Yes.
Okay, now, these days, some people wake Maki yelling to mother. Napo Malichi, Chualebonia, Kakubu, because about this morning. Why you feel only Henina in a Kumakiano to Afo? It's about time for you to get involved and tell us what you think of all of this. Malakangolo fu actually Gaki when wake up as why you feel only Henina. Now, the former aviation minister, Chidoka, Osita, Chidoka Pota, when you kuna, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Obalo Nde Qatar about Nahabata Nigeria, only demand any form of a bribe. Directly Nanyama ga handle the situation. Chidokana Kawana Idipa Okubo Idi market Nigerians, none on an international stage when you bribe and all of that. So the market Nigerians. Napakayabi Fesuwe, former Minister of Aviation, Osita Chidoka, on Sunday reported President Bola Tinubu for directing Qatar industry captains to report Nigerian officials who demand any form of bribe before allowing them to operate business in the country. Tinubu made the statement while assuring the international business community that his administration would deal decisively with any corrupt or cheap practice that undermines investor confidence in the economy. According to him, the country will no longer be held back by past bureaucratic bottlenecks and corruption that stifles the ease of doing business. Reacting to his utterance, Chidoka said he was embarrassed that Tinubu chose to toe the path of his predecessor by demarketing the country. He went on to say it was an unfortunate statement. I was shocked and embarrassed that he was continuing Buhari's type of the marketing of Nigeria. And he says there are many Nigerians who will not ask for a bribe or disturb people. The people who will probably ask you for a bribe are in the minority. My brother, on the minority, because in the minority, I only want to make a bribe. Say report to the president. One no more take his phone when I got still.
Well, okay, can you know oh, they call that's not what I need. Of which I'm
yes, or blind.
Oh,
It's not all of us. Man, even some of us that are not there. There was Ogamela. Oh, they're very good. But we have one on your Takubu or Kadiana Wapping. When I was there, oh, you go do something for that. Yeah, do something for us. On a very good day. Before where you put Papa. A lot of things to talk about. But as this morning, why if you don't hear Nakosa on phone right up back now, the numbers you will call and then you become part of the conversation remains 07034459334.
07045592210.
Let's hear from you right about now. Hello. Hey, Negodia, you were my first time. All the car in there on these organ, I saw you what you got. When I watch you see. Well, I can the tax pass this time. Okay, money lot here perico, my man, the tax. Man, I can do my brother. Where do? Yes. Now I can do my brother. Oh.
What's funny? Oh, them,
Yeah, my brother. And all classic, I can do classic. I'm back when I wrote there. All the okay.
oh, them, one go them, oh, yeah,
No, Ike Chingom ga Abuja. So what? Because I don't know who. I hope. Can I don't wake up on a ketana than the tax would be an easy. You have to go able to Manadalo. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Yes, let's hear from you this morning. What do you have to say about all of this? Hello. Hi. Good morning, my brother. Take him, man. No. No, Gabani Rusa. Oh,
yeah. Eventually, eating a form of onion castle like when you have a coconut.
New.
We can come away on a hard time. More than long with the hotel. Because the money I hate money, my cable no cocoa.
Anyway, keep Bazwa. Ụfọdụ a price go for ewu na ọkụkọ amala ego na ọnya n'afịa, my brother. You have to so quite able from that perspective, greed, and only quite able from there. No about the thing. Anyway, network at Ebupu Govanogimana. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We still need to hear from you. Let's hear from you right about now. Hello. Hey, my brother Negodia. No. Welcome, my brother. Oh, go ahead. There's up again a visa. Gabani Rusa. Okay. Yes. Oh, what put a cab? My brother, up on afa otu a, you have to go okwu nwanna anyị ka ha bụkwa just my brother na agakwa n'iru I am not gonna my brother ọkwa unity ọkwa ofu ife a ka anyị ncha bụ at the end of the day mana dalo dalo, thank you so much. Yes, electric vehicles go up there. Okay. Ka na-anya ịma na onye ebidogodo from ọba na onye ọba ka ọ bụ wee gbadatabazie hopefully. Ebe anyị ebido nnọọ befa bụ ọba, my brother. Nsogbu arụrụ. Daalụ. Thank you so much. But don't worry, I anabatazi ndị ọzọ, my brother. I anabatazi ndị ọzọ. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Let's hear from you right about now. Hello. Network abịakwa. Hello. Hey, negodi ajideka. No.
Good morning, sir.
Ka a na-agwagodo ihu. Jomoko, no. Gabaniru sa o. Yes.
Nobody's above accident. What I have a dollar my word, and one thing you want money. So, more than like if I make a poor to police, I can have accident. But no matter the amount of you when they were you were like you will be able to do money second. So, then now they cannot have a platform where not wrong.
Okay.
I just what for one. When you were of Bokuli, for Bana, or you know, or just when you were.
What call us?
I would rather if something is wrong somewhere.
Okay. Mana na enwelu some people yotago sweet fa bụ Hulk Hogan na Warrior no phone na akpọkpọ onwe fa sweet we na-ekwukwa ya be fere na agafa. Don't you think so? Okay. Okay. Unfortunate one. Pokwa no nowhere together pa no dokwa mana apeli my brother. Thank you so much. My brother. Thank you so much for joining us. Let's hear from you right about now. Hello. Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, move away from your radio. Put it off so that we can hear you. Have you done that? Okay. No. Okay. Kebisa buy no to. Obeledu negodi ajide nwanne nwaanyị. Gbagam in your account. Okay. Ka papa kwan. Oi fobu. So ke eli nwe n'isi patata. Yes. Amen. 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 Yes. Faga bụ ndị nnukwu mmadụ ahụ ị na-ekpe ekpere na ha ga-abụ n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Anyị na-adịzi gbagam na the account ka e wee nwee ike ịsụpụta ya bụ ma. Ngwa nwanne m nwaanyị gaba n'iru tiri anyị ọnụ n'okwu o. Okay, authorization. Dalo, thank you so much for Ibatade in the first place. Let's hear from you right about now. Hello. Hey, Africa now. It will down no. again, my brother. You to go down.
Good morning.
Baby na yoka. Come on now, baby na yoka. So why they? My brother, what I have again, Miss Aboke Gabaniru. Okay. No, Gabaniru brother. Hello. Yeah, na Ganiru. Okoko. Amakwa my brother, anọkwa m ebe ọ nọ mana mmụọ na-enejekwala anya bụ na o nwere ike ọ price ga-ego na na-elesi fa n'afịa yọtago ọfụ na ego dịkwa nne fa kịta ahụ wee kwuchirizie o nwere ike ọ bụrụ dị ego ka ọ na-ene anya anọnụ m ebe ọ nọ mee my brother ihe anyị ma bụ na ọ ji igbu nwunye maka yọtago ọkụkọ na ewu yes. Oh, no, around my brother. Oh, don't worry, very soon I'm gonna get thank you so much for joining us. Yeah. Oh, Dalo, my brother. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. This is unfolding. Let's hear from you right about now. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hey, my brother, in on point. No.
Good morning.
Naganiru akubido.
Okay.
Amen. Yes. Amen. Na pause today, my brother. No. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah. Agada gbachiri ụzọ nya na anụ agada gbachiri ụzọ ọ gbachiri ụzọ na the plate. Amakwamo because in keep bazo my brother akwara anu a na-separate is the akwara from the anu la akwara iche la anu iche. Oh, yo. Yeah, okay. Oh, Chineke ka anyị na-ayọ Chineke ya emela anyị ebele. Oh, Dalo, thank you so much for joining us this morning, my brother. Dalo. Amen. Dalo, ka anyị cheleze ka ha batazia. Thank you. Let's hear from you right about now. Hello. Hey, welcome. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back, sir. Kabaniru O.
Yeah. I thought until eating on of the hat to give up. Maka price.
Yes.
And good thing that's in a hand came on an hand price.
Okay.
And they have no one, never know me in Nigeria, who had Nigeria, the personal fantastic corrupt. Okay. Which means now, on your one and I let you know to a matter and get all na ye ko tin wa direct go ti you be go ti that na metal agwa di ne be doria
okay
even na that go and the daddy the you know we need to go and he has Nigeria because governor Nigeria because people who go through that na when you from Nigeria it's the kind of people who do and not the trade in Nigeria people want to do God
okay
so no he has about that case so that's when you want to do for the way he who had a bad on and they buy the Yaka to carry so no one will be here to you and then I can be go back but you don't have to get whatever business yet.
no. Oh, hobo that electric vehicle gas ego gori abrokwo belego so any dey gbachiti ya ego no bolo nke maybe adobagodi na afi igwe to Enugu ukwu ana aso onya na ihe ga weta 1000 or something not 200 ka ji so no able to ke mesigo the side that we just side that oh yeah but it's my brother so if you want am we na eme you go yes Wandalo my brother. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Yatago Origo Kosia, we need to hear from you. So, also, I know you both in Nigeria, so they fantastically, corrupt. In a zone of Onakwana, in a Quana, Chido, can you Kuyaboku on a very good day? In Aya of Mana or the Kafanta at the Natabulia on a very good day. Let's hear from you right about now. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning, my brother. Man. Nah, I did come be kind of situation, my brother. What would I have again? Maybe say, "Well, can I get any new method?"
Good morning, all the man. No.
Yes. Amen. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. Eziokwu ka a na-agwa gị ọ bụkwa njakịrị dị ma na anya ọkụkọ nwunye ka ọ chọrọ ikolo mbi yọtago chap chap New method. Dalo, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Let's hear from the next person. We need to talk about this thing. Okay, let's hear from you right about now. Hello. Yes, good morning, my brother. Okay, no, Chila on Can find a couple of us here, my brother. Okay, Biakwa again. Don't worry, my brother. We are on it. We are working on it. Very soon, all of those things will be bygone. Dalo. Thank you for the notification. I am up here, Melia. Dalo. Thank you. Yes, let's hear from this person. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Good morning. Why am I not?
I did my good morning.
No.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Yes,
no. Afum na mgbe eju keke unu metata na onye chọkọza gị bụ classic abi. Nsogbu adọ. I'm azada molo wolo gabadiru my sister. Amen. Yes. Okay. Ihe ọzọ nchọpụtakwanụ na nwaanyị a at the time ma ịdị mmadụ ọnụ mere o ji wee chọpụta ife men n'oge ọmụ ịdị mmadụ Ọmụ mmadụ ọnụ. Ọ ihe ọ bụ. Yes, ọ mere o ji chọpụta.
So when our president let's protect the Qatar, they were a little bright.
Yeah.
Okay. About to protect the Ludo. Yeah, protect the Nigeria or the now on the ice. Just because I don't have to show Madonna. That's the line and so on in Nigeria.
My sister. No, wala. Dala, my sister. Odigoko said, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Hello. Yes. Odigoko said, the president in the Kuano, no one balloon the Qatar invest in Nigeria for we go or female bribe. Okay, when you lead way. I have rules of boy on a very good day. Niaga and we family and the Nina and you put Nigeria, they fantastically, corrupt, or they can put and Nina, they corrupt to disband Panaka when I may have a lot of things to talk about. Mana Olugo Mbaiga Chikota again because now you're looking at idolization moment. Akoko oti pokri boyotago nki bazwa. The reason why we talk about these things is that we need to learn from them, and when we do, we'll fix our society. Some of the things we are talking about, some of the things in Wutai and all of that, we can sort them out here by just talking about them. And in the process, spotting the imperialism before her imperialism. I want a message to good morning, metal and classic. Anya Furugo, na Agule. I say happy birthday to all the celebrants of today. That man that wants to kill the wife is a greedy man and a lazy man. Lazy man. Let him carry his cross. Anya Furugo Naguleri. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Yes, this is the spot where we call it a day. Oh, more wakana but metal.
Oh, we're classy.
Yes, now very soon I'm gonna check again. Mana utusi no totua, due to circumstances beyond our control, Chaka will not be here for Kosi. Mana other, programs gonna enlighten other programs gonna entertain. You have to go. A lot of programs will come your way on this particular platform. So stick around with Ebona the 103.5 FM till we meet again. I know Bena Chineke Gano Elege Pobuniti Lakata Bezbo Tifeda Chupuga Gosia Naha Jesus. Amen. Till we meet again. Shalom.
I'm back again.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share, right? Hit the subscribe button right here. Then check out my book on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifan Shwekeze. Thank you. We're doing this.